Where to find hidden apps on your iPhone. That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn where you can find the hidden apps on iPhone. If you are wondering where to find hidden apps on iPhone or iPad, then fortunately, if your device is running on iOS 18 and later, there are multiple ways you can find hidden apps on iPhone, and I'm going to show you each of them. So let's start with the easiest method for finding the hidden apps. For that, you have to tap on Settings and then scroll down and then go to General. Here, if you tap on iPhone Storage, you will get the details of all the apps that are occupying space on your iPhone. Here you have to just scroll all the way down, and there you will find the option for Hidden Apps section. Here tap on it, and this will further verify with Face ID, and after verification, this will show all the apps that are hidden on your iPhone or iPad. Now, here you can tap on the apps that are hidden, and further you can delete or offload the app, but you won't be able to use the app from here. So if you also need to use the app or open it after finding the hidden apps, then you'll have to learn the second method. For that, simply go to home screen and long press on the home screen. Then once the app starts jiggling, then tap on these dots icon, and if you tap on that, this will show all the pages on the home screen. Here you can see some of the pages are unchecked. So if the app is kept on that page, for example on this one, those apps will not be shown and those will be hidden. So if you need to find those hidden apps, tap on that, and after that tap done, and that will add another page where you can find the hidden apps. But just in case if you still can't find the hidden apps, then you need to look for the section for hidden apps. For that, you have to simply swipe left like this and go to all the way to the right section where you will find the app library, and inside the app library page, if you scroll all the way down, here you will find the hidden section, and that is the place where all the hidden apps live. So tap on that, and once you tap, this will verify for Face ID, and after the verification is done, this will open the folder and show all the hidden apps inside the hidden folder, and that's where you can find the hidden apps on your iPhone. And here you can also open the app and use it without any restrictions, but just make sure that the app will require Face ID in order to verify and open the app so that you may use it. So this way you can find the hidden apps on your iPhone and use it as well. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to hide apps on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.